Eish, truly speaking wona man masikhuluma ngalento kaSipho man ngizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu man, because if you check uSipho Mbule, the most talented player, iplayer ngabe lidlalile bafana, it's a player engabe liya Europe, and uSipho manje ku peak yakhe I think is 26 to 27. I think kulanga kuyenza khona imali eSouth Africa kakhulu, you understand, but manje man issue saphazamisa into of the field, and into angayazi kakhulu ukuthi into ebuhlungu ngalento yakhe ibehavior angeke ekugcineni. Yeah, angeke ekugcinena izophela kabuhlungu ngoba ekugcineni akekho umuntu ozofuna ukumsayina. Yayibona. So yena man manje kumele akhule azama ukuthi achinje ngoba if akachinji football manje people are investing a lot of money. Ubani uzofuna ukunika 200,000 anganasho ukuthi kusasa uzoza or angeke uze. You understand? Yeah. So I think imele uSipho azama ukuchinja. Uyibonile lento yenzakala nga previous players. Even nathi sibile kule situation whereby ukuthi uzuthanda ubumnandi ngoba like inkinga into engiyibonile about South Africans once abamba imali sibona ngathi ubumnandi amantombazana izinto eziza kucala, you understand?
Yeah.
Because if ngiyakukhumbula kahle ngisese ku under 17 national team bengine coach abathi uSarameli Twaka ukhe wangitshela one advice wathi kimi Scapi ibhola if you can focus maybe for 10 years ufocus nje ebholweni and then after 10 years so ungahamba yenza lokumnandi yabo. Okay, lento uyazi mabakutshela lama advice izinto when you have everything ubona ngathi hayi angisho imali isangena. Yeah, but the time imali mayizo stop ungena i-problem izoba khona lapho na Grootman yabo, ngoba i-problem iba lapho vele kusesemnandi manje une income uyadlala uyahamba uyophuza wenzani, you understand? Because manje mongabheka njengamanje if iplayer lithanda ukuphuza kanje i-PSL idlala njengabo Sundowns ama team adlala week in week out.
Sometimes
you need to rest, umzimba wakho kumele rest, but njengaye manje uzoba i-risk kakhulu ukuthi actually contract, because even namanje abantu abazofuna ukumsign bazoza ngama-terms wabo, ama-terms wabo angeke bafuna ukulalela yena ukuthi uthi because they know very well ukuthi uyi-risk. So yena kumele achintshe manje attitude ngoba is still early for yena, angachange yena abambe i-discipline adlale neminyaka isamvumela ukuthi angadlala for the next 5 to 10 years again. You understand? So it's up to yena ukuthi yena ufuna kanjani. Mangabe yena usafuna ukudlala 2 years or 3 years ngoba ngendlela aphila ngayo angeke adlale isikhathi
sure.
eside.